No, for sure. You see that light, that light. You must do it the way you Banna. Ogbonna, who is in that coffin?
It's...
Who? Ogbonna, talk now! I say who?
It's Drew.
What? No. Don't do that. Get him down. Hey!
All I'm saying is that you should have tried to tell us first before bringing the cops home.
I think you are correct.
See the condition their mistake has placed our brother in. Because if they had told us earlier on, we would have known what to do.
So who are you now blaming? The cops has already gotten home. It has gotten home. I think it's the burial we should be talking about now, and not apportioning blames.
Please, let's talk about Joe's burial before those who took Anoka to the hospital will return, so that our son will be buried. Cheers. You are right. Oh.
Why are you crying? What is the problem, eh?
I'm coming from Anyanwu's house. The third son died, the one that went to Germany to play football.
Eh? Joe? Oh, Joe Kida Kumakaya? That boy that is full of life died. Hey! I feel for this family. Hey! Hey! Chekwa, Mogozi, that family, is it not the same family that lost their son last year in accident?
They said this son fell and died at the field where they were doing training. But the problem is that the corpse, when the father saw it, oh, he couldn't stand the shock of the corpse of the boy when he saw it. They took him to the hospital.
Hey! I
just hope he will survive this shocking, this news. I hope he will survive.
Hey! I'm going to the market. I'll get there when I get through in the letter
Oh, you are always a wonderful.
Papa, Mama, you will enjoy it. We're ready to go back to the city now.
Yeah. okay. You have all tried. That's okay. You have all tried.
Papa, please, make sure you take your drugs and eat your food. Take care of yourself. Make sure you take care of
yourself. Anyway, Papa, you don't have any reason to worry. Okay?
That's true.
Did you hear what I just said, sir? No reason at all to worry. If you have any problem, do not hesitate to call it out for us.
Yeah.
And you girls, you see, you girls, listen to me. Hey, especially you. If you trouble this man, you have both of us to contend with. You hear me?
Damn head.
Papa.
Let me keep it for you.
Okay.
Mama is Papa.
I already gave you something. I gave you something.
You said, Papa, let's go.
Don't give me something already.
My friend, move.
Each man, same journey. I'll keep it for you.
It's not clear.
What's the meaning of this? How manage? I mean, this will be Cheta. Cheta! Cheta! Oh, Cheta!
Yes? Why you shout my name like that? Eh? What is it?
Cheta, I've warned you time without number to stop touching any of my things, but you won't listen. Now you spoiled my slippers, you didn't even care to repair it and you left it there for me to see it. Is there anything wrong with you, Cheta?
Oh, is it because of this fake and cheap slippers? That's why you're shouting my name like this, eh? I thought you were saying better. Cheta! Cheta! Come back here! Come back here! Come back here! What's wrong? Come back here! What is it? Cheta! Cheta! What's it? Cheta! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Look at this fake business! Leave me alone, Joe! Cheta! Leave me alone! Cheta! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What is that? Leave me alone! Stop it!
What is happening here? Why are you guys fighting about each other?
You're the only one.
Cheta!
Stop it! I said stop it! Where is your father?
He's inside, sleeping.
Oh, your father is inside sleeping. And you guys are here, fighting.
Auntie,
don't you mention water? Don't you know you wake him up?
Auntie, she's just fighting because of this fake slippers. She's beating me.
Shut up your mouth! Cho! What is it? Where's your mother?
She went to the market.
It's okay. Do you hear me? Two of you should stop this fighting. Mechionu Cheta! I bought some foodstuffs for your mother. I want you to keep it for her. Mwangwa, come and carry it to us.
Auntie, take out. Next time you should try to know.
Mechionu! Christy! Come down here, Wata, come down. It's okay, you are the elder one. You don't have to reply everything she says. Calm down, put to Kenele, put to Onwam. It's okay. Do you hear me? Is that everything she says you reply?
Why didn't you come to my house as you promised? Oh, sorry. Don't mind that my sister. She's the one. She caused it. Any little thing should be quarreling me as if I'm the one that made her not to go to school. Can you imagine? Okay, if she had gone to school, she would have known the difference between real and fake things. Instead of sitting here and be quarreling me over little things. As that girl It's okay, Cheta. Remember she's your elder sister. And so what? Make her fly. That's just the only respect I'm giving to her. Else I would have shown her that she cannot just play with me. She cannot even try it. Every small thing should be quarreling me as if don't want to stop with myself. In fact, the girl matter they provoke me. He said they have this one. It's one to Yes. Guess what? I'm not in the mood. I'm already vexed. Yes. Just tell me what is it? Okay. Since you can't guess, one handsome man wants to marry me. He said he can even wait to see my parents. But I was the one that told him to wait. Let me pray about this. Ijola. Marriage. Yes. Yeah. You don't want to go to school again? Shit, school can wait as far as I'm concerned. Yes, I don't even have money for my education. I know if he marries me, he's going to train me in school. Well, as for me, I want to go to the university. So, this is your handsome man. What does he do? He said he works in a company in the city. Well, you know what? I want to go and meet my prophet. Let him pray over it to know if he's the right one for me. Prophet? Joma, you are this your prophet. Every little thing, prophet. Oh, shit. You know you don't believe in prophets or their prophecies. But you see this one, he's a real man of God. He's very powerful. Yes, man. Yo, I hope he comes up with something good. This mountain prophet. I pray so. I won't wait. So you go so tonto with
Yes, like you were saying, I think it's about time that I start up another business. That's what I've been thinking, you know. Something that I could do to support, since the one that I tried before didn't work. Do you understand?
That's a very nice idea. But what kind of business are you thinking about?
I'm still in between it right now. I've not really made up my mind, but I'm thinking either spare parts or plastic business.
Spare parts or plastic? Bros, that's a very nice one. It's a very nice one. But for now, since you're still thinking about it, I will advise that you think about it very well and get back to me. You know, for now there is no money. My master just ordered for goods, but definitely by let's say next month, I will see what I can do.
Okay. Thank you very much. Ogbonna.
Bros.
God bless you.
No problem.
You just won in a million. I mean, how many brothers would support even their own elder brother like you have been supporting?
It's nothing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And let's not forget, the car developed a little problem. So I now took it to the mechanic.
No, it's okay, bros. It's okay. Just hang on. It's okay. Okay. That's how we ball. Yeah. So you can fix the car and keep the rest. My boss.
Bros. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. You see old age.
Thank you, man.
Your children will bless you too.
No problem.
Thank you.
If I'm driving, you look as if the car is checking. Even this oil, I think you need to see. I think you need to top that. See, this oil is short too. Can you see it? Check this one. I don't know, what have you been working on this car now? What will happen? Are you saying that it's a coolant that might be a problem? And if I put that, there's no problem to stop. Are you sure? Thank you.
Who be that baby?
That girl?
Yes.
Her name is Lechi. She dey come here every day concern a thief salad. The girl is a very hard-working girl and she gets respect well.
mean she comes here every day?
They come here every day concerning native salad now.
Oh boy, I like that girl.
That girl, the cheese is a very decent girl. Most of my customers when they come here, they don't even try to get her, but they no fit. What she gonna do be say she gonna look you, they laugh. If now you no go feel vex for that kind of person.
Oh boy, that one now your own. Now on her own be that. As for me, I like that babe. Eh? Everything about her complete. In short, in a complete package, be. And something in me tells me that that girl will like me. I beg, help me call her.
I should go her for you?
Yes.
Okay, there's no problem, sir.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Uche.
Please stop calling me sir. My name is Stanley. Just call me Stanley.
Okay, sir.
I like you. Can I be your friend?
Yes, sir.
Please, where are you from?
Olu.
Olu? Ah! I am from the same place with my mom. I like you. Please, can I have your number so that once in a while I can call you?
I don't have a phone, sir.
So, how do I see you again now? Or do you come here every day?
Yes, I come here every day by this time to sell abacha to them.
Ah, okay, no problem. Give me a small abacha, let me patronize you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Fish or pomo?
Pomo. In short, both of them, fish and pomo.
Have you finished?
Hey, that's so big.
Good day to the people of this house. Hey,
hey, yeah.
No, you're welcome, my dear. I'm just from the market, so I decided to see you guys.
Yeah.
What's up? Nine, how are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you're alright.
Welcome. I'm okay.
I bought some foodstuffs for Nine and G. Onyereze, all this one for us, for you and I said not only me.
It's too much now. It's too much.
I don't mind. Even though I should drop most, okay? I don't mind.
Yeah. Thank you.
I
Thank
should
you
drop
so
my
much.
weight.
Thank you.
Help me.
Take some.
Chiri. Thank you. I'm not as a car. I'll be eating it as I'm going.
Thank you very
Nine.
much.
Don't worry now. I'll come in the evening to check on you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Nine.
Such a kind woman.
Hey. Oh, where are the children? Let them come and take it inside. Chaita!
Okay, how much card do you want?
No. I'm not here to buy a card. Okay? Baby, I'm here to have a word with you.
A word with me?
Yeah, don't you recognize me?
Of course I do. You're the guy that comes here to buy card from me.
Okay, I'm happy about that. It's not something we are going to talk about. Why standing? Can I have a seat?
Hope there is no problem.
No problem.
Okay. Come on.
Thank you very much.
You said there is no problem.
No problem. Let's start with an introduction. May I know your name?
My name is Christy.
Christy. That's lovely. My name is Mario. I'm a civil engineer. I'm building a house in your community. So I would love to know you better.
Know me better?
Yeah, of course, I want us to be friends. Just friends. Just friends.
Friends?
Is there anything wrong in that?
No.
Okay. I don't want to waste much of your time. Please, can I have your number? Is that possible? Okay. Please, type in your number.
Sorry for that.
No problem.
I work. Well done. Please, have you seen Lechi here today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's selling inside.
Oh, she's around?
Yeah.
Help me call her, please. Lechi, how are you?
Very fine, thank you.
I'm sorry that I couldn't come yesterday as promised. I hope you're not angry.
Oh, no, sir. No, I'm not.
You okay? I got you these little gifts, please.
Hey! Hey! Thank you, sir. I like it. Thank you very much, sir.
Lechi, you're my friend. At least now we can communicate very well.
Hey! Thank you. Thank you. Should I get you abacha?
Yes. Put pomo and mix it like usual. Pomo and fish. Please come inside. Come, welcome. How was your day?
Why are you holding me like that? Is that why you bought me the phone and asked me to come here?
No, I'm sorry. I'm just excited that you came to my house. Please, don't be scared. Come. Just come, let's go inside. Come. You're welcome. I'm sorry, Welcome. this where you live?
Yes, this is where I live.
Sorry, how come you not told me anything about you? Like, do you live here with your parents?
My parents and siblings died in the Just crisis.
Jesus. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm really sorry, please. Hugo, please come. Hugo! Hugo, one there. Hugo boy! Hugo, please come! Sit down and have a drink with me.
What's going on? So you're just smiling and drinking.
Sit down, here, take this. I am happy, that's why we're drinking.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm happy. That's what's this going on.
I can't wait to hear this good news.
Let's cheers to the good news. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you remember one girl that I told you about before now?
Yeah, okay.
Lechi, that girl.
Yeah, I know her good.
See that girl? That girl has taken my soul. That girl has taken my heart. That girl has taken entirely my entire body. As a matter of fact, as it is now, that girl has consumed me. And you know what? I want to marry that girl.
Was marriage?
Yes.
See, bros, it's not like I'm not happy for you, but we are still thinking of a way to set up a business for you. And you are talking about marriage. Bros, what about business?
I understand. And it's not like I've not given it a thought. I have. Yeah? But the truth about it is, you see this girl, she's hardworking. And I and Lechi teaming up together, this guy will be our stepping stone. Trust me.
Bros, it's like you don't understand what you're saying, or you don't understand what you're about to do. Bros, please, don't allow infatuation to ruin your life.
No, it's not infatuation. I know what I'm talking about, and I've given it a serious thought. You know what? Just give me your trust on this one. Trust me with this one. And your support, leave the rest. You see what will happen. Things will turn around very fast. Faster than you know it. Faster than you imagine it. Yes.
In that case,
let's just drink.
Let's drink. I can drink now.
Yes, you can.
Wow. Congrats.
My brother.
It's a nice one.
Yes.
It's a nice one. Just that I don't want you to make a mistake.
See, I just want you to love me as much as I love you.
I do love you, and you know that.
I got this small money for you here. Just buy something for yourself, please.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Anytime. I'm also... You'll be going with me to see my parents tomorrow.
No.
Yes. Why not?
Thank you.
You're welcome anytime, huh? lady I've told you so much about. Her name is Lechi. This is my sister.
It's nice to meet you. You're welcome. Brother.
So how is business?
Brother, I'm managing.
Everybody is managing right now. Anyway, we'll see you later. We want to go to the house.
To the house?
Yes.
Brother, I'll follow you.
Have you finished selling your car?
The card has finished, brother.
Okay, I want to buy 750.
750.
I thought you said the card has finished.
Brother, calm down.
Right, let's go. What happened to her?
Cheta. Cheta, what is it?
Cheta.
Cheta.
Nai, what's going on? Why is my sister crying?
What's happening here? Cheta.
Take it easy. Calm down.
Calm down. How? What?
Just be.
Cheta.
What did she say is her problem?
Stanley,
Cheta, what is your problem? What's wrong with you?
What?
It has
Papa.
happened. It has happened.
That's a natural reaction. That's a natural reaction.
My dear, take it easy. Take it easy.
What?
I'm in big trouble. See, if my uncle comes here to ask of me, just tell him that you've not seen me for a month now.
Why? Is he the one chasing you?
I'm telling you. Why? As I'm talking to you now, my guy is chasing me with police everywhere.
Chineke,
you know, he found out that I've been stealing his money.
How did he find out that?
He has been using police now to chase me. I don't know.
So how did he find out that you're stealing his money?
The door, one stupid auditor. The auditor came and somehow they found out I was stealing his money. Good.
So what do we do?
Wait, in case he comes here to look for me, just tell him you're going to see me for a month now. Boss, I'll talk to you.
What's the meaning of all this? What was this? Who's calling me again this time? It's not done. Hello? Yes, dear. I'm good. No. I'm fine. Oh, no. Just a little problem. Ogbonna just ran into the house now and he said something about his boss. Money, steal money. I don't even know the whole story. But he's chasing him with police and everything right now. Yes. Sweetheart, please, do me a favor. Anytime, anywhere, anybody asks you if you know Ogbonna or me, you just tell them that you don't know me. Yes, deny. No, my love, no. Don't go to any spirituality, don't go to any pastor, please. No, I don't want those people. They're all fake. Please. Okay, thank you. I love you, baby. It's just...
When we went to my uncle's house, we ate and ate and ate, even rice, abacha, assorted. I even brought some for you. And I said, let me tell you, tomorrow I'll bring... Hey, Cheta, I said I brought some for you. You are not talking. What is it?
My dear, it's my brother Ogbonna now. He said his master is chasing him everywhere with police. That some amount of money is missing in their working place.
Hey, whoa! Cheta, but that's a big problem, you know. So, what will he do now?
I don't know. I don't just know.
Hey! I think I have an idea. Why don't you follow me to my prophet place? I believe everything will be solved.
Prophet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Prophet. Yes. You know, when my mother was ill, he was the one that helped me. If you go there, he will tell you everything you need to know and how to solve it. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure, Cheta.
Okay now, so when do we go and see him?
We have prayers tomorrow. And while going, I will come and call you.
Okay now, if you're sure that it will work, if you're very sure it will work, I will follow you.
Sure. Yes. Cheer up. If you don't cheer up now, I won't bring those things I promised you. Cheer up now. I'll come with it tomorrow.
Hurry up now, but I told you to prepare and wait for me, Cheta.
Oh yeah, so we don't go late. Okay, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Mama, we are coming now. Let's go to church.
People should pray for everybody.
Okay. See you later.
Thank you.
Charge you. My daughter, where this is coming from is bad. I see it very clear. Very, very clear.
Please, where is it coming from? My two brothers are dead, including my father. And now my other brother that is the breadwinner of the family is in trouble.
Holy! In Jamaica. In Jamaica. My daughter wanted to go home and ask your mother. She knows what is happening. Holy!
My mother?
Yes, your mother. Holy. Go and meet her. She knows what is happening. Tell her to confess.
My mother?
And things will be okay. Holy.
My mother?
Angel Michael. Charge over. You can go home.
Thank you very much, Prophet. We'll get back to you.
You're welcome. Charge over. Holy. Angel Gabriel. Angel Michael. Take them home.
She's not like working as if you are sick. Huh?
So my mother is a witch.
Cheta, but the prophet just said that you should go home and ask your mother. Why don't you go home first?
No. This can't be. So my mother was the one that killed my lovely father. My two brothers, Onyeka and Joe. Onyeka that promised to take me to Germany. Onyeka promised to do lots of things for me.
Cheta, you just have to calm down, please. Calm down, Cheta. Please, calm down.
I can't take this.
Cheta, take it easy, please. Cheta, wait for me.
My sister, my dear. That was it, though.
Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama, so it is you.
It is me.
Hey. Mama, they have told me. They have told me. Hey, Mama. Mama, so you're a witch. Hey, Mama. Mama, what did my father, your husband, do to you? Mama. What did your two sons do to you, Mama? Hey! Mama, so now you've made Ogbonna to be having problems with his master.
Yeah, shut up, Mama! Shut up, Mama! Shut up, Mama! How can you accuse your own mother of killing her children and husband?
I don't care! My mother, God forbid, she's a witch! I am a witch! Shut up! Shut up! She's not my mother, she killed my father! Shut up! I am a witch! Villagers come! I am a witch! I am a witch! I am a witch! She killed my father! She killed my mother! She killed my mother! She killed my brothers!
Is not looking good at all.
I just can't understand it. I can't understand Cheta at all. She went to see a prophet, and the prophet told her that my mother is a witch and that my mother must confess. If I get to that village, I'll break her bones. I'll just break her into pieces.
Stan, calm down. It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
I said we have to come to the village tomorrow. But it's a family meeting as regards the issue.
We are going to the village tomorrow.
But if I get her...
You really have to calm down. It's okay. When we get to the village, you will ask Cheta what happened. That way, you will have the true picture of things. Calm down. saying she's a witch.
They told me she's a witch. Don't mind this greatest. She's a witch.
You shut up! Shut up! Monsieur Onuge! Ah, what is this now? Look.
Stanley, it's okay. It's okay. It is okay. It's okay. This thing that is happening in this family has gotten out of hand. Eh? And you, Cheta, take your time. You have no right whatsoever to call your mother names.
Can you just imagine that?
It has not been confirmed. So I am suggesting that in 3 days' time, we will go to a place and get everything confirmed. You understand me?
Okay, Nai, it's okay by me, but it's just that Ogbonna will not be able to make it. You know he's been having problem with his boss.
That will not be a problem. Since you are around, you can stand in for the family.
I know what I'm saying.
Shut up, idiot. Come and talk again.
The child in the stomach cannot be seen with ordinary eyes. It cannot be seen with eyes like yours. Anyanwu, you are the cause of this problem. And you know it. The gods can never lie.
No. Check again. Check again. I am innocent. It's not possible.
What is it?
I am innocent. I didn't do it. My hands are clean.
I forbid you. I forbid you as a mother. Hear me? I forbid you.
Don't say that. Ma'am, listen to
Leave me alone. What do you want to say?
Listen, I come to your chat. I'm a man, I come to your chat.
Excuse me.
Now listen to me.
Take your hands off me. Go.
I'm innocent.
I forbid you.
Now come to your chat. I'm telling you.
Cheta. What is it? Why is your face like this? Did you have problem with your sister again?
No. Oh, my sister John. Remember I told you that my uncles and brother were going to see a native doctor? The native doctor they went to see confirmed my mother a witch.
Hey! Oh my God. I told you that my prophet is a real man of God. You see? He's a seer. Oh my God. Hey! So, what do you intend doing now?
I don't know. Hey! I'm just very confused. I don't know.
Hey, God. Hey. So where are you going to?
I was on my way to your house.
How far?
Ogo, I came back from the village yesterday.
So what happened? How did it go?
Ogo, you don't want to know.
What is it?
Uncle took us to this native doctor's place. And behold, our mother was confirmed a witch. The native doctor said our mother is a witch.
What?
That our mother has been the brain behind all the problems we've been going through in our family. And not only that, that she's responsible for the death of our two brothers and even our father. Could you have imagined that?
Mama, a witch?
Yes.
No, brother. It's not possible. Wait, did you say she killed Papa? Hey! See, I feel like killing her with my both hands.
But why didn't I follow you to that village? Why didn't I go to that village? You know me now, I'll just kill her.
Well, that is it.
Hey. How can I be a witch? I'm a witch.
Ugo, what's the problem with you? Why are you getting restless?
No. Fine. This matter you're just telling me is Mama witch.
Wait, Ugo, that reminds me. How far with the problem between you and your Oga?
Bros, that problem is still there. You see, I was told by the friend and the brother that they are still begging him on my behalf. They are still talking to him. You see, as I'm talking to you right now, my Oga have been able to trace my accounts and froze them. I swear to God. Brother, I don't have any money in the bank. As I'm talking to you, I have only 5,000 naira in my pocket, both home and abroad. That is all I have. You see what Mama have caused now? You know how this thing works. When your mother is a witch, you know how this thing works. And come to think of it, I even promised you about this business thing. You remember the business I told you about? I cannot do it now. See what Mama has caused. But I'm just tired. Seriously, I'm tired. Now I'm here thinking, and you are telling me now Mama is a witch. Just imagine. Hey!
I still can't believe this. That a woman will kill her own children and her husband and also deny her family of wealth. Chai, Chineke kwani fojo to fear one.
What's your food? I know you have been crying since morning. Please don't kill yourself. No, because don't kill yourself. Stop crying now. Stop crying. Do you want to start crying also? I don't want to. It's okay. It's okay. I cannot do what I cannot do. Eat. I got rice for you. It's okay. Stan, you have to take it easy, Stan. All hope is not lost. Stan.
think we should just pack and go back to the village. Yes, at least there will be enough room for us to live freely without paying. Honey, see, this rent will soon expire. And there is no hope of renewing it. I'm tired of the city.
Stan.
Yes.
Instead of going back to the village, why don't we sell our car and use the money to start something tangible, something reasonable? On the other hand, I can go back to my African salad business. That is what I used to do before we met. We can do this just to make ends meet.
Do you know, I've never thought about this before. I mean, from this angle. Yes, we would sell the car and put the money in a business. But you will not sell African salad. My wife will not sell African salad. However, you are just 1 in a million.
Thank you.
Thank God for that day that I met you.
Now you're going to make me blush.
God bless you. God bless you.
Open the boot. Open the bonnet, sir.
You know, there's nothing like saying too many stories. Look at the car that you're pricing 800. Is this a car of 800? No, check it out now. Is this not new? Yeah? The car is practically new.
Okay, close the engine. Give me the key. Let me know. Close the engine.
You're happy
Stanley.
with the sound?
Yeah, it's okay. But Stanley, I can only give you 800,000 naira, as I said before, earlier.
See, sir, this car is not an 800,000 naira car. At 1 million, I'm only just giving it to you because of the present problems.
Stanley, I can only give you 800,000 naira. Come to think of it, this car, how much is the new one you are selling this car for 1 million naira? If you want, make I give you the money, make I write check for you, I beg. Now based on old time's sake, what do you talk? What do you talk?
Okay, you can write it.
What name where I?
Stanley Anoka.
Right.
Stanley Anoka.
Stanley Anoka. Stanley.
Hey! Hey! It's not true. No, it can't be. Hey! Everything lost. No. There's no need. There's no need. I better kill myself. Oh, honey. I'll just die. Hey! Oh! Hey! 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 Mba! Oh! Oh! Hey! 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 Hey!
people are carrying bags like this. I hope there is no problem. These 4 people are carrying bags. I hope there is no problem.
Don't you dare touch my wife, you hear me? Don't touch her. Of course there is problem. Yes, you should be happy now. Start celebrating. You are back. You have succeeded. But let me warn you. Better keep your distance from us. You hear me? Keep your distance from us. If not, you hear from me.
So you see her.
But I want her. Please don't waste your time on that woman. What anger will you see her?
Please let me carry this thing inside.
Auntie Ochi?
Where's Christy?
She went out.
Better come inside now, you hear me? Better start coming inside and leave that witch alone.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Bring the things inside, please. Just near me, you know, you see what I'll do to you. Careful, man.
Mama, it's okay, just calm down. Oh.
Ogini, Lechi, Ogini, what is it?
Oh, Mama, no, wait.
Hey, Ifeanyi, Stanley.
What?
Ifeanyi.
What?
Ifeanyi. Hey.
I was even on my way to your house, so we can go and see the prophet together.
Hey, I'm even going to the farm to help my mother.
Hey, you see, you can happily call your mother mother. Why me, I cannot?
Cheta, you don't have to worry. Eh? Okay, I will take you to see my prophet again. Eh?
Okay, well, because my sister, my elder brother and his wife just came back. They just returned from the city.
Jesus, why?
You know that witch? She has eaten up everything they have, and now they are back to square one. They are back to square one.
Hey, Jesus. Why would that witch be so heartless and wicked on the children? Eh? Why?
I don't know. I don't know. See, that's why I want us to go and see the prophet so he can come and pray for us. Me, this whole thing, I'm just tired. It's just very tiring.
Don't worry. I will personally talk to the prophet. I will tell him to do something about it. Eh? Hey! My mother is ready.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my children. I can see you are coming back from the farm.
Yes, man. This one that you're carrying your bag, it looks like you're traveling.
Yes. I'm going to see my son. Yes.
That means you'll not be around for my father's last memorial rites. You know it will be coming up in 2 days' time.
Yes, I know. I will come back tomorrow.
Okay, no problem then.
What of Ogbonna?
Ogbonna is alright. He's fine, but it's just that he said he's tired of running around. That he'll soon be coming home to stay here in the village.
Okay, no problem. I think that would be a better option. Let me go and catch the bus in time, eh?
This my head so stubborn.
And you know that. You always like to make this time. Why? You didn't want me to make you understand.
I'm a fine girl, hair or no hair. I'm a pretty girl.
Cheta, didn't I tell you that my marriage was not good? I went to see my prophet yesterday and he said I should go ahead. That Chinyere is the right one for me.
Are you serious? Oh my God! Are you serious? You will soon become Mrs. Oh my god, I'm happy for you!
I can't even wait.
Oh my god!
I can't even wait when my father will say, Ijoma, go and give wine to the husband.
Then you're not carrying your drink and carry it. Oh my god, and I'll be dancing, you know. Oh my god.
You know you're going to be.
Of course, baby. Who else will be your children? Me, I'll be making my own shakara that day. If I'm not going to be here, who else will be it? I know you and I trust you. Oh god. So what's his name?
Chinyere. In fact, why do you want to know?
Tell me now. Let me know that Ijoma wedding. So it's going to be Ijoma weddings. Ude or Ijoma weddings. I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Oh please, I want to go to the university. I'm happy for you all the time. So this is regular for you. Yes. Wow. Oh god. I was so pumped.
African salad.
Mrs. African salad.
How are you doing?
You're really serious about this, your business?
Yeah, Christy, leave me alone now. This is what I used to do before I met your brother. I didn't learn it. I know it.
Are you serious? Okay, oh. Come and prepare one place for me.
Okay, oh.
Dikeh married. Sure, I like a lot of porno. You like a lot of porno. See your mouth, you like a lot of porno. My wife, please don't mind her. Please come and prepare one place for her. If she wants many porno, she will pay. Please just prepare.
Okay.
If I'm forgotten, no amor.
Your greeting, which? Why are you greeting me, Juan? You want me to respond so that you will take me to your wish coffee? Akuya, you kill your husband and your children. Amosu, don't greet me next time. Huh? Chiakwa. Mama, you're in a good morning. I don't need your greeting. What? I don't know how I am on
I'm coming.
What is it? Eh? What have you come to do here?
Hey, Nani, I have come to beg you. I need your help. My children no longer talk to me. The villagers are pointing at me, calling me all sorts of names. I can't buy or sell anything in the market. Nani, as it is, I am begging death to come and take me. Nai, please, I need you to help me, because I need you to help.
How does that concern me? It's the repercussion of your evil deeds. Please, this should be the first and last time you will be here. Because I don't want anybody to accuse me of associating with you in your crimes. Please, leave this compound.
This is my morning clothes.
Get out from this place. Leave this place. Come on, get out from this place. I call your children. Who are you calling your children? Come on, get out. Go up and go.
Go. I am innocent. I am innocent. If this is the price I have to pay for a crime I did not commit, so be it.
Come on, get out. Come on, go, fly. Stanley, go kerosene, you set it on fire. Let's go.
If I'm forgotten, no amor, agama colony. If you are muteluma, agame bugalone. Okey alone kegyo, we bulubiaba, Ogbonna kaya dacha, chukuna fuya. Chukuna fobi imala bara makebe akamudiocha obini weneluwa imala bara makebe akamudiocha odinkemene imala bara makebe Chukundiane mebuno wa imarana bara makebe akamudiocha anane lobi imarana bara makebe akamudiocha obini weneluwa imarana bara makebe akamudocha Chineke mwawenye imala chimo bara makebe
Agame mara afufu wa kaliamo biano parumo ezitim biano parumo harapolamo odindo awukama chejinarimo agwafurunu se yemeke agame mara afufu wa kaliamo biano parumo ezitim biano parumo harapolamo odindo awukama nazubome Chinyere mo agwa furunu se ye make agame ma afufu wa kaliamo bianu porumo ezitim bianu porumo arapulamo odindo onwukama Chinyere mo agwa furunu se ye make agame ma afufu wa kaliamo bianu porumo ezitim bianu porumo arapulamo odindo onwukama Chinyere mo agwa furunu se ye make agame ma afufu wa kaliamo bianu porumo ezitim bianu porumo arapulamo odindo onwukama Chinyere mo agwa furunu se ye make agame ma afufu wa kaliamo bianu porumo ezitim bianu porumo arapulamo odindo onwukama
Husband's house, that one that you killed. Go to that house.
What yes, don't come to this house again.
Go there, go.
Witch. I am innocent. Shut up, you're not innocent. You're a witch. Listen, mother. I'm your mother. Who's your mother? Who's your mother? Where are your children? I'm your mother. Shut up. I am not a witch.
Witch. See, if you call me your son again,
if you call me this place again, I'll kill you. Witch.
Go to that house and live there.
Witch. I am not! Who is that?
Come on, baby.
I'm
I'll do to you.
Come to this house again.
Just try me. I mean, you are feeling for her. Come to this house.
Ichiogazi.
Onyanuchi.
We are here to know why you people decided to lock our daughter inside the house for 7 days without food. Why? And we are here.
You make me laugh at times. Who do you expect to go and give her food? Whoever goes there to give her food definitely would be a dead person.
Hey, Ichiogazi.
Ichiokadibo.
You mean an elderly person like you in the house? You will remain in the house? Your son will lock up my daughter inside that hut for 7 days without any food, and you are happy? You mean you are happy? I am surprising you. I Look at this. You want to fight me? What is wrong with you? You want to fight Okadibo? You are pushing people. You want to fight Okadibo? The whole Okadibo. Let me tell you something.
He who never remembers where the rain started beating him will never remember where he dried his body. Meaning, a she-goat does not suffer the pain of parting from his leather.
Look at Ogazi. Look at Ogazi. Look at That is the only weapon I have.
Yes, you deserve it. I say you deserve it.
Yes,
you deserve it.
That is what I want to do.
It's your time.
Yes. You deserve it. Yes, I did it.
As a result, my late uncle's wife is the one standing in as my mother for now.
I'm sorry about that, baby. All the same, I'll be coming to your house with my people to meet your people for our marriage introduction.
Really?
Of course. Just inform them, okay? And I love you so much, and I can do anything for you. I will. Meanwhile, I'm in a hurry. I have a meeting to attend. Please, see me to the car.
Baby, remember what I told you? Again?
I give you some sugar. Come on. That's my baby.
That's my baby. Alright. Please. Tell them what I told you. Alright? Yeah.
You're here. Yes, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
I brought you foodstuffs. So that you can cook and eat.
Thank you. God will bless you for the love you have been showing to me. God will continue to bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you.
It's okay.
Let me ask you a question. Do you believe I'm a witch?
Anyanwu, let's continue to pray. Let's keep on praying. I should be on my way.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
I'm strong, God
bless you.
What?
I saw Auntie entering that house to give that witch something.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You mean she's still there now?
Yes.
Follow me, let's go and stop her. Mama, just wait. Mama, what were you doing there?
I want to see her, to know how she's faring.
I saw you with some foodstuff. What did you go there to give her?
I took some foodstuffs to her and a pot to cook it. I don't want her to die of hunger.
She has to die of hunger?
Yes.
See, Mama, let this be the first and the last time you go to that place and give her anything. Let her die of hunger.
Yes. I would have said she should go back there and collect those things back from her. But I know by now she might have touched them with those her stupid witchcraft hands.
I can't even fake it. See, Mama, if you still want us to call you
Mama,
anything that has to do with that house,
don't go there again. Don't go there again.
I've said my own.
Mama, please don't go there again. Please leave that witch to die there. She's still on her own. Don't give her anything again. Hey God, see this witch, Hey, she has not seen anything yet. By the time we are through with her, she will know something. Stupid woman.
Witch.
Anyway, see, there is no need dancing around the words or not knowing how to say it. In one word, it has been confirmed that my mother, your daughter, is a witch. And she is the one responsible for the death of my sister, my brother, and even my father. That's why we're here.
Okay, I've heard what you said. We will take our daughter home for questioning.
It's your card. I will advise that you're taking her home, not only for questioning, but for retention.
Yes.
This family should not wait until we are wiped out. We lost 3 people in a row. I cannot. That is true. So the best advice, take her home, retain her there.
Yes.
I think I said your mind. You have spoken our mind. That is true.
I have heard you. You are my son. I carried you for 9 months. And I fed you with this breast. I am not going anywhere. I will stay on this ground and I will prove my innocence.
You stay where?
I'm going to stay here.
Wait. Okay, you want to stay here and prove your innocence?
Yes.
Good and fine. Stanley, don't worry yourself. You don't want to go anywhere.
Yes.
It's all right. Let me warn you that when a child, against the advice of the elders, throws a red pepper inside her mouth, he judges for herself what it tastes like. And more importantly, he who collects ant-infested fagots should not blame the lizards when they pay him a visit. If you don't want to go, remain here. But whatever happens to you, nobody in this family should be held responsible. Stanley!
Excuse me. My daughter.
No.
You heard what they said. They said you should go. I want us to go. I don't want to remain here. If you decided to remain here, whatever happened to you, don't call anybody. Let us go.
I will stay.
You stay behind.
I want to stay.
What happened to you? Don't call me anybody.
I will stay.
Stanley, you find me with you and your brothers. Make sure she's returned to that hut. She will remain there in isolation.
Go.
Let us go, elders.
Go.
Go to your house. Go to your house. We want to wipe out the entire village. Go there.
Negi Gambo.
Go.
Negi Gambo.
Go.
I'm Negi.
Go.
I am your mother.
Go.
I am your mother.
Go. Nonsense. What is it? Is your husband not dead? They say we say we don't want to again. Go. I don't want to do again. Is in trouble? Your husband is dead. Go.
Wow. You're such a beautiful girl with beautiful things at the right places.
Sir?
Anyway, my name is Steve. I work with the Ministry of Environment. Although I'm from this village. I like you.
Sir, please, do you want fish or you want pomo?
What do you have? Everything. Just put everything you have.
I don't understand, sir.
You know what? I think you just have to. Let's go to a place that is cool and talk about it.
What are we going to be talking about, sir?
About you, of course. You're too beautiful to be selling abacha, African salad. I can get you a job, a good job that you will be doing and get more money. Just allow me to change your life.
Thank you very much, sir. But I am a married woman.
Serious? That makes it more interesting. That you're married does not change anything. I think you just have to catch fun. You still have the life to catch fun. Enjoying life. Let's go somewhere and talk about this. Where are you going now? Wait, let me give you money. I want to buy. Take money, madam.
Please, sir, if you don't want to buy, I have other customers that are waiting for me to buy. Please.
I want to buy now. You take money. Take money now. Where are you going? See this girl. Chineke. This thing passed me by. I will follow you.
No. How are you, Mama?
I'm very fine.
Mama, look at how beautiful. You're looking beautiful, Mama.
Just like this.
Now you see your skin, Mama.
My daughter.
Mama, very soon you borrow me that your cream so that I will use it on my own skin.
Don't worry, my daughter. I'll give all of them to you now.
Mama, I came to inform you that in 3 days' time, my husband will be coming with his people to meet our family, Mama. Yes, Mama. And I want you to stand in as my mother, not that witch. You know you are the mother we have for now, Mama.
Oh, Malicham. So your husband will be coming to...
They will be coming in 3 days' time, Mama.
Oh, my daughter. But don't you think that news will get to him that I'm not your real mother?
Hey, Mama. Mama, you don't need to worry about that. I've taken care of that myself. You don't need to worry yourself, okay?
For truth?
Yes.
Hey, it will be very nice, Mom. So, where did he come from?
He's from the neighboring village.
This is our neighboring
I'm
neighboring
telling
village.
you, Mama. He's a contractor working in our village for now.
For real?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
He used to be my very good customer. He buys cars from you.
Christy, Mom.
Mama.
So very soon, Christy, you will become Missy.
Mama, is it not better?
It's better,
It's better than to answer recharge card, Mama.
It's better,
it's
my
better.
dear.
It's better. I want to marry, Mama.
Missy.
I want to marry you.
All right, we've heard you. You said you want our daughters and the marriage?
Yes, and her name is Christy.
Zodili. Ichie. They are not here for us, they are for our daughter.
Yes.
Omerepere. Zodili. Ichie.
I greet you.
Our wife.
Our husbands, I greet you all.
Please go and call our daughter Christy.
Good night.
Tabuta.
Oh no, I am.
Hey, I got you on your molo. I do want you to know.
Easy,
you can take a very good look over there. These people are here for us, especially for you. Do we have to accept their cartons of drinks or do we ask them to go?
Uche!
Suddenly, the women folk, you can go back.
Thank you.
That is good. And if we
Stanley, welcome.
My in-laws to be, our wedding will be coming up on 27th of next month. That is the actual date of our traditional marriage. I want to finish the marriage rites on time so that I can leave for the city with my wife as soon as my contract in this village is over.
Woman! 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 Please get up! Get up! Please, please!
Leave me alone! Let me die! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Let me die! Let me die!
Why must you die?
Leave me alone! Let me die! They call me a witch! And I killed my husband and 2 of my children! Nobody wants to talk to me! Just leave me, let me die!
Please, please, it's a sad story, but killing yourself or dying here will not prove your innocence. Moreover, the gods of our land will not be happy with you for killing yourself. Please, don't worry, let us go.
Just leave me alone, let me die! Leave me alone, let me die!
No, please,
let me die!
People!
Let me die! Let me die!
You cannot do this!
Every night in my dreams. AJ, Alpha.
Oh, you're washing? Hey, I'm here with my Chevy clothes, so the date has been fixed.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Oh my God, see? Are you serious?
Yes.
So when is the day?
27th of next month. 27th.
Hey.
Oh. What is it?
Fine now.
Huh?
It's the same day with my sister's own.
Oh, Christy's own.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're my maid of honor that day. Yeah? So now you know how you want to do and me. I only need you to match with me that day. You know now. You and I will live as one.
Okay. Oh my God. So what am I going to do? I'm supposed to get a blouse.
Now it will be good on you.
My darling. So you're not Mrs.
You and I, you know now.
I'll be smart, you know. I joke. You're getting married, though.
I will pray for you.
I'm married, don't worry.
I'll pray for you. I'll talk to my prophet, eh?
Now come and help me. I'm tired. I beg. I beg. I just finish speaking. I beg.
See, I'm going to give other girls their own clothes so that they can get it ready. Okay?
But if it's me now, I will help you.
You have to understand.
If it's me now, I'll help you.
Understand me. You are supposed to understand me. I am running around so I can get everything ready before the 27th of next month now. So
I understand.
Wash.
I understand. My friend. Married. You know my wife. So that's my name. It's like joke. I just get married.
Hey.
Yes, dear.
Son.
Guess what?
What?
Yes.
You know, I'm not good at this guessing.
No. Stan, you must guess.
Oh, please now, tell me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I went to see the doctor today. I told him I was vomiting now. My waist was paining me. So, he said, I am.
Wait. It's a lie.
Yes.
I'm going to get better.
Sorry. Thank you. You're a good woman.
Amen.
Hey, my love.
Stan.
Yes, Dad.
I want to talk to you about something.
I'm listening.
Stan.
Mommy?
It's about Mama. Stan, the ill treatment is too much. What is it? Mama is not a witch. She almost killed herself. She's not a witch.
I don't want to hear that nonsense again in this house. You hear me? I don't want it. And for your information, she's no longer my mother.
She is your mother, Stan. Mama is your mother. And she is not a witch. What is wrong with you people? Huh?
You don't want to stop this nonsense, Abby? Continue talking to yourself.
That's all you do. You run away from the truth. That is all you do, Stan. Stan. Stan, why is what?
If I'm forgotten, no amor, agama kolonye. If you are mubuteluma, agame bugalonye. Okey no lunkegyo, uwe bulubiaba, Ogbonna kaya dacha. Chukuna fobi imala, mala makebe.
Mama, can you hear me? Mama, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Please tell my husband to come and take me. Please. I'll tell him. Just tell him to come and take me, please. You come and tell him to me. It's okay. Just take him. You come, please. Please tell him to come and take me. You come.
Mama, please forgive us. We are sorry, Mama. Please.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Don't turn your back at us. Mama, I know you are our only mother. Please, have mercy, please.
Mama, I'm very sorry. Please, forgive us and come back to the house. I'm sincerely sorry. Please, Mama.
Forgive them. They were misled by that fake pastor and the fake Dibia. The Dibia has been banished by the Igwe, and the pastor has been arrested for raping someone's wife. Please, Mama. Please. Please. Forgive them.
What is this? What could this mean? Oh God.
Stanley!